Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this head wrap turban style using leggings and t-shirts. So let's get started. So this is the first pant or leggings I'll be using, and I know you guys will be wondering why I have this hairnet on my hair. It is to hold down this extra volume I'll be adding to my head to give the head wrap volume, just like this. Yeah, so now I'm going to take the pants and wear the waist part on my head just like you're seeing it now. Yeah, like this. So take it and cross it around like this, then wrap it round. Well, to be sincere, it depends on the style you want. You can do it whichever way you want, as far as it is secured and well placed. That is what matters. It doesn't necessarily have to be my style. You can do it in your own way also. Baby, wait, check out your release. See, I love your backside and your sexy figure. Give me love, my baby girl, for your grace and the grace. Oh. Anything you want, just tell me, girl. I will help you purchase. Oh. For this kind of love, I call this style Mama Africa because of the volume and the height. So darlings, this is style 2 with the same leggings. Watch how I do this. I won't be adding any volume in this one. Baby girl, I'm down for you. Let nobody come for you. I'm your body, you're my soul. Don't you worry, I'm with you. Kilo dale, I the grace for your young show. Oh, I need kikale, kini jale, ele goni gon, ele wamodeli. I know say you carry comfort, oh yeah, comfort. Cause you know I've my jammy, So the next style is with this old 3/4 sleeve t-shirt of mine. I'm going to be putting volume on this one too, but this time a little one because the head wrap is not that big. Wear the neck of the t-shirt over your head like this, then walk with it. Yeah, because the sleeves are a bit short, it wasn't that easy to walk with, but it wasn't difficult either. Why you act like say now you be Nicki Minaj? Yeah, you boss my brain like Ricky and Eminado. Come give me love, my baby girl, for your grace and the grace. So the last style, I can say this was kind of like the easiest style for me because I used, is this a hose or tight? I don't know. It's not a leggings, it's a hose. What is it called? I guess it was so easy for me to use, guys. You need to try this. Very easy. I was trying to form a knot as a style here. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I do hope you enjoyed watching. Please, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.